Want your home improvement project to actually go smoothly without turning into a total nightmare? Alright, so first off, always start with a clear plan. Like, sketch out what you want and figure out your budget before you even think about calling a contractor. Next, do some serious homework on local contractors. Check reviews, ask friends, and get multiple quotes so you know you're not getting ripped off. Don't pick someone just because they're the cheapest. Quality matters way more. When you talk to contractors, be super clear about what you want and get everything in writing. Scope, timeline, materials, all that stuff. Also, keep communication open throughout the project so nothing sneaky happens behind the scenes. If you see something that doesn't feel right, speak up immediately and always expect delays or unexpected costs. Having a little extra cash set aside is clutch. Finally, once the job is done, walk through everything carefully before signing off to make sure it's all done right. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with home improvement projects is not vetting contractors properly, which leads to hiring unreliable or unlicensed workers. Fix it by checking licenses and references thoroughly. Another issue is poor communication. If you don't clarify expectations up front, you'll end up with surprises or incomplete work, so always confirm details in writing and keep the conversation going. Lastly, many folks underestimate their budget and skip setting aside extra money for unexpected expenses. Avoid this by adding at least 10% more to your estimated costs to cover any surprises. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors without the usual stress and hassle. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who actually need their services, so everyone wins.